So Dad's just got the backing plate on for the gear shifter, and he's gonna have to screw that in and get it into place.
Sure that this fits in properly.
Yeah. So these gear shifters, what model or make did they come out of?
They come out of Chrysler products.
Okay. Mid 70s, sort of?
Yeah, 60s and 70s. Motorhomes and Dodge pickups.
Okay. And Dad's determined that those are the best ones.
Other option is a floor shift one. I want to get away from that. These shifters have just the right travel for all the different transmissions.
So Dad thought he had an extra one in stock, and then he actually had to put two together yesterday, and but he made it work, and so this is his task here for today. And what are you looking for? The backing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's the top and the bottom of these two.
Yeah.
Mix up. Good luck. Cut the dash too big. No good. No. When you're all finished, this has to fit in here. I'll just take this light out. That gets wired in so that you have a light in the nighttime.
Okay.
Go up quite a bit yet. Okay, good.
So we progressed a little further with the belt here. It's actually proving to be a little more difficult than we anticipated, but we're kind of placing in the new carriage bolts as we're going here, and we hope to actually put the new belt in and then wrap it around. Dad's going to put in a pulley system here to pull the track along so that we can pull the old track out and put the new track in. And so we spent the last couple hours on this. Dad
This is
got the new backing plate and front plate on for the gear shifter.
shifter is ready to go in.
And so he stopped doing that for a bit because it was kind of hard on his knees.
Oh no, it takes two of us on the truck.
Yeah, and it takes two of us on the track. And so yeah, that's it. There's nothing too sexy about what's going on today. Working on gear shift and working on the track, but every day it's a new adventure here. So I just filled up the furnace here, put some wood in. We got a new customer coming in tomorrow afternoon. I'm gonna come here tomorrow morning and do some cleanup of the shop, help out Dad with that, and then I'm probably gonna have to take off for a couple of days again.